Nobody likes pet hair, but we're going to make an even bigger mess. We're going to grind it in, and we're going to just stomp it in to make it impossible to get out and try every tool we know. First, we'll try a pet hair mitt. It's supposed to be pretty quick, but this is all in time lapse, and you can see it's taking some time, and time is money. Next, we're going to try a dog hair brick. They scratch plastic, they load up, and it's a two-handed operation, and it's really rough on your carpets. Next, we'll take a look at the lily brush. It's a good tool, but on serious dog hair, it's seriously slow. It cramps your hand to use it, and it's a two-handed operation, trying to pile it up and then suck it away with the vacuum. Then we tried the good old rubber brush. It loads up fast, and it takes way too much time. Now let's switch from time-lapse to regular time. Here's the FurEel. No spray, just dry, and it works so much quicker. But with a friction or static reducer spray, it's unreal how fast it takes out this heavy, thick dog hair, saving you an enormous amount of time and money. That's beautiful. We'll even go back over what the other guys couldn't handle and let you see how fast it can pick up what they couldn't do. So if you're sick of spending too much time on too much pet hair, today's the day. Time is money, and time's a wasting, so don't waste it. Get yourself to buffbrite.com and end the pet hair nightmare forever. buffbrite.com.